Vesak is a celebration of the birth, enlightenment and passing away of Lord Buddha. The festival, which takes place on the full moon Poya day in May, is one of Sri Lankan's most visually stunning celebration. වෙසක් කියලා කියන්නේ ලෝක වගේම ලාංකීය බෞද්ධ ජනතාවටත් අතිශයින්ම වැදගත් වන පොහෝ දිනයක්. බුදුරජාණන් වහන්සේගේ උපත, බුදුවීම සහ පිරිනිවන් පෑම සමරන මේ වෙසක් පොහෝ දවසේ වෙසක් කූඩුවක් හදන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් විස්තර කරන ආකාරය අද අපි බලමු. First of all, you will need 25 bamboo sticks cut to 25 pieces. Then you will need either one tea light candle and a piece of cardboard or a light bulb. Tissue papers of various colors, glue, a scissor, a string or bendifier for tying, tape, wire or fire-safe string for hanging. It's easier to make these lanterns with bandy straws, but bamboo sticks, what is used traditionally, still work well. Either way, the first thing to do is make 6 squares. If you are using bamboo sticks, tie 4 of them together at the corners to construct your square and repeat this method 5 more times. Tie the corners of 4 of the squares together to make a ring. Then take the 2 remaining squares and tie them to the top and bottom of this ring, making sure you attach them to all the corners. You should now have constructed the basic shape of the lantern. There are 2 ways you can light up your lamp, either by making a base for a tea light candle to sit on or by adding a bamboo pole so you can attach it to a light bulb at home. To make a base for the tea light to sit on, cut out your cardboard to fit the shape of the bottom square on your lantern. Then tape it onto the bottom, making sure it doesn't go over the edge of square. Next, you need to cut out the tissue paper to decorate the lantern. Cut 4 squares and 8 triangles of paper to fit over the structure's section. They should be a little bit bigger than the individual frames. If you want it to look jazzy, cut out different colors for each section. Glue the edge of your paper shapes. Starting with the squares around the middle, wrap the glued shapes around bamboos. Wrapping them will help them stick to the edge of each section. Next, glue on the triangle shapes. Don't add any paper to the top of the structure. This needs to be open to let any smoke escape. Cut a small hole into the tissue paper along the top of the lantern and wrap your wire or string around the straw so that you can hang it up. Now you can start on the frills. Take a piece of tissue paper and fold it into a fan, leaving a strip at the right hand side of the fan unfolded. Cut into the fan at an angle at intervals of a few centimeters. Turn your fan to its side so the lines of the fan are horizontal and stick the unfolded strips along the bottom of your lantern. Unfurl the fan, which should fall down in pretty strips. You are now ready to light it up.